What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I don't have a whole lot of deals for you, but I do have one that's super duper special, and we're going to get to that second. So first up, I just want to say that Harbor Freight has 20% off all their ratchets, and they actually have some decent Pittsburgh ratchets. Not all of them are great, but there's one in particular. I can't remember what it was. A friend of mine had one. We were working on my RV, and he whipped that bad boy out. I was jealous. I don't remember what it did. I want to say it was this extended ratchet, and this is only $21.99 for the half inch, $14.99 for the quarter and 3/8. So it's dual sided, but that's not gonna, if it's in hard to reach places, then obviously this is gonna get in the way. But this joint is dual sided right here, $15 with 20% off. Shoot. And I believe the Pittsburgh, I don't know which ones, but I think some of them at some point had a lifetime warranty. It's been a long time since I've been researching hand tools from Harbor Freight, but I thought these had a lifetime warranty. I don't know. But anyway, those are all 20% off. I also wanted to just say that I had to break down and end up buying this Daytona. I didn't have to, but I needed another jack. I was going to get one of the other ones that was on sale for $119 over the weekend. I don't know. I just ended up spending $200 on this. This was on sale for $199. And I just thought the long reach would help. But I do like that the max height on this was the highest I've ever seen at 24.25 inches. Normally they stop at like 18 or 19. This is 24. That extra 5 inches is going to help me out a lot with my truck. And I just wanted to say it works wonderfully. This thing is super smooth. It's easy to pump. I like it a lot, but it ain't on sale right now. But I'll keep an eye out on it. Moving on to the good, we have this Pentair EF6000 drinking water system over at Menards. Now, this is normally $422. All right, as you can see right here, $422. It's on sale for $133.49. But wait, and that's after a mail-in rebate. So it's really $150. But wait, this is still too much. So here's what you want to do. They have the filters themselves on sale right here for $69.99. This is $69.99. And all the kit it's a filter with the filter head and all the little connections and stuff like that. $422. I don't know how that makes sense. I've gone over it not a million times, but a whole bunch of times to try to figure out. It gotta come with something else. No, it doesn't. It comes with the filter head and the filter for $422.10. So you could buy the filter for $69, then come over here to Fresh Water Systems and buy the whole filter head kit for $52.90. And that brings you to like $122. Plus you also get your 11% mail-in rebate on the filter. But I'm going to just still call it 122 or 129, whatever it is. And there you go. You get this great under-the-sink water filtration system. Now, I like it because it doesn't require that extra faucet, right? This will just run through your cold water line, and then there you go. Now, you got to be careful with your faucets. It'd be good to flush them if you can, because they have nasty stuff in there, like after the fact. So once it goes through the filter, it still is going to go through your faucet, and your faucet's dirty too sometimes. I'm a double filter mine, but I usually have the pure filters, and those don't filter microorganisms like this does. It's the NSF A and SI standard 53 certified, so it reduces cysts and stuff like that. The pure filters don't do that, and those pure filters filter out 100 gallons per filter, and 3 filters is now $40. So when you think about it, this $69.99 right here, this EF6000 filters 6,000 gallons of water. 6,000 gallons. This is literally 60 pure filters. 60 of them. It's crazy. All right, it's crazy. Anyway, buy this. This cheap. It's going to be easy to install. Home Depot has special buy today. It's not really anything super fancy. I already kind of clicked all on the good stuff. First up is this Milwaukee right angle impact wrench, which I've been hearing good things lately about it. Maybe they changed the way they built them, and now they're, producing the numbers they're supposed to produce. But some of the early ones, man, they were duds, and I got one. And I paid I think $79 for mine on sale, $199 for mine on sale. It was just tool only because I got it early. But now this is $179 with a 2.5 amp hour high output battery, which is maybe what you need to get all the beans out of that bad boy. So I shoot for that. I don't like this deal over the Flex deal from yesterday. Let me show you that. So you have a Flex, and this also is one that doesn't have modes, but neither does that DeWalt. I like this much better. Obviously, you get two 2.5 amp hour batteries. The DeWalt was two 1.3 amp hour batteries. You get a rapid charger. This impact driver produces more beans. It's bigger though, and it's heavier, but it produces an extra 100 inch-pounds of torque, which isn't really saying anything considering the size of that thing. So you have that. Moving on, we have these two subcompact Ridgid impact wrenches, $199 with a free battery. That's not a bad deal at all. You get your 3/8 and your 1/2 inch, and they're supposed to produce 220 foot-pounds, 250. You know, Torque Test channel ruled that is not accurate, of course. No, most of these people lie, but they're still pretty decent. Then we have this Ryobi 5.5 inch circular saw with the jigsaw for $79. If you just want something, you know, you just getting into woodworking, I suggest not spending a lot of money on tools and try something like this to get a feel for things and see if you even like this new hobby. And if you don't, you can always sell these for way more than $79. All right. Moving on, I wanted to say that the Ryobi days, because if you go look at the special buy of the day, we scroll down, it's a lot of Ryobi stuff for $189 with the tool free. Of course, you know you can hack it if you don't need the batteries and all that, but if you were going to keep everything, obviously buy it on the special buy of the day. But I wanted to say that they had two. The $99 kit with the non-high output batteries, but that is over, okay? You might still be able to go in store and get it, I'm sure, but it's over online. But it is still valid for the 3 battery high output kit. And you can choose from 22 different items. I'm not a humongous fan of Ryobi stuff. Like most of Ryobi things you'll see me get are like fans, lights. Like they do that pretty well. I don't really touch their power tools like that. Their outdoor equipment is wonderful, and I like their 40 volt stuff. I don't fool too much with the power tools. It's other things that are far more significant that you can get. Now I do like their batteries though. Obviously you want to kind of collect the batteries, so you could hack this on the inverse and just get the batteries for free. So what you want to do with that is come over here, find the most expensive thing. So far we saw it was $189. Let's see if there's anything more than that. That vacuum would have been good. So we're going to add this to cart, add that, and it'll make these batteries $102. So there's that. Moving on, last but not least, I wanted to say Tools Direct. Let's check and refresh this because it looked like they were restocking today. No, they're not. 206 and instead of saying 207. They just add a couple things. They do have this Ryobi 10-inch drill press for, this will be what, like 101, basically $100. So that's saying something. And here you go again with the batteries. You know, we just saw that. You could get it with the batteries. It'll make this over at Home Depot hacking it. It'd be like 105 or whatever it was. And you could get it here for 125 with an extra 30% off, which will make it'll make it $87.50. So if you did just want batteries, you could go this route. Just get it from Tools Direct. I'm sure they have a whole bunch of them because everybody's out here hacking them. There you go. More than 10 available. $87.50 right there. Shoot, I might do that. And then if you do decide to do that, don't forget your Rakuten. You get 1% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, you sign up using the link in the description. You got to use the link in the description to get the bonus $30. You get the $30 on top of the 1% cash back, making this a sweet, sweet $56. There you go. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.